They turned me loose from state hospital.
Well, I'm Skeeter. Yeah, this is the Homer Third Show.
Today we're going to repair a TV. So I'm going to go ahead and let Skeeter show you what we did.
Well, an old lady named Esther came and brought in her TV, said it didn't work. So what we did, we put new tubes in it, and right now, I already did all that. We're going to see if it works.
There's not many people alive that can remember how to repair these old TVs, so we have to do the auto programming first and make sure everything's functioning.
Oh, geez, Skeeter!
You gone done it again, Skeeter. I tell you what. Hurry up and unplug that thing before it burns the whole shop down. Too pleased, but we did fix it at one time, but you put the wrong tubes in it. Well, we'll be back in a little bit. We're going to show you how to fix the vacuum cleaner.
This is an endorsement from the 18th Century Lumberjack Association.
Welcome back to the show.
All right, and we're back. Well, we had another lady bring us in her little vacuum cleaner. I guess, what did you figure was wrong with it, Skeeter?
I think the belt broke.
So we replaced the belt. What else did we replace?
I think we replaced the bag because it was full.
All right, well, we fixed all that. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to turn around here and try and clean our rug up because we got busted glass all over from Skeeter's TV ordeal. So we're going to go ahead and give this little sucker a whirl. If you're like me, I travel a lot time to time, and we all know we have those little fun critters in the house, those cats and dogs. Well, sometimes I like to take my cat with me just in case there's some mice in the basement or whatnot. So today I'm going to show you how to build a cheap, easy cat carrier. All you need, empty box of 24 beer. Now what we're first going to do, you got to make sure you have some room in it for a little titty tat. And some air holes. We're just going to cut some air holes in here like this. And now we'll make a nice little flippity floppity flap. Just like that. We'll put another one on the other side. Alright then. Now we got our little flippity floppity flaps out. As you can see right through like that. Now I'll take my cat. This here's Jitters. She likes her coffee. All you do is take your box. Yeah, go Jitters. Come on, we're gonna go traveling now. And you put her in the box like this. There we go. Now you just gently flip her over a little bit. Oh, well. Anyway, I guess I made the hole a little too big. So what I'm going to do, just to show you how to end it, is you take your duct tape and tape it in like this. See? And then you got your little kitty cat carrier there. But you might want to make the holes just a little bit smaller so she can't get out, because that's kind of the point.
Welcome back to the show.
Jim,
I'm Skeeter.
and we're here to fix this guy's furnace. Now this here is one of the antique old furnaces. It's one of the old coal ones, but she wants her fixed up, so by God we're going to do it real good. So I'm going to give you we're going to change angles here, and Skeeter's going to give you the lowdown of how these here operate.
And here we are. This is an old coal furnace that we're going to have to repair. It heats the house up above, and from what we know, this thing here is what's broken. There's a little spindly dindly thing in there that sucks the air up into the house. And it looks like here is a telephone. Nope, apparently not. Well, let's get to work. Well, there's no coal in it. That's important to start the work. Now we can get to work.
Alright, now the Skeeter's made sure there's no burning hot coals in there. We're ready to start our work. So we're going to go ahead and just do a little troubleshooting to make sure everything's still sturdy together. Alright, Skeeter, let's go. Well, I think the seals are holding pretty good. What do you think, Skeeter?
Yep.
Oh, here we go. We got a busted seal. Here we go.
Yeah, that thing's full of asbestos. Stop doing that.
Why didn't you tell me before I started prying in it?
Stop it.
Well, I guess all she really needs is some coal, and now we got her all fixed up. So, call us for furnace repair?
Today we're going to show you how to fix an eye. First thing you got to do is take the light bulb out. Next, you got to make sure there's power, because if you don't have power, you don't have light. So let's see if we got power. If I can only find my voltage tester. Next, we got to take our trusty wrench and wiggle it in there. Okay, stop. Now we'll plug it in. Yep, we definitely got power that time. Now, we gotta put the light bulb back in. Safety first, gotta unplug it first. Alright, and there we go. And before you're done, you gotta oil it so the wires don't get cribbly dibbly. There you have it. Oh, gotta cut it back in.